In your first session, I will introduce you to fantastic Phyllo dough. I'll explain you what it is, the available types, its properties, where to find it, and how to preserve it. They will show you how to manipulate Phyllo dough and the best ways to handle it. Once you feel comfortable with it, you will elaborate spectacular flowers for any cake decorating needs. From anniversaries, weddings, and bridal showers, to quinceañeras, birthdays, and baby showers. It doesn't matter the occasions. These edible decorations will be great showstoppers for whichever cake you want to decorate. You will learn several enhancing techniques like adding color, brushing highlighters, and sprinkling disco dust. All this in a fun, hands-on workshop I am sure you will love. For the second session, they will share with all of you great handcrafting techniques using isomalt sugar for creating trendy edible decorations. I'll briefly explain what isomalt sugar is, its characteristics, the various forms available, where to get it, and how to take care of isomalt sugar. You will elaborate beautiful numbers, letters, stars, spirals, butterflies, and free-form abstract designs with isomalt sugar for any decorating needs. It doesn't matter the occasions. If you are looking to add some special flair to your cake designs, these edible decorations will be great. You will learn several enhancing techniques that will be profitable and fun. Hope to see you there and meet.